My story really begins when I was living and working in New York City in the fashion industry. I hit burnout from being there for several number of years and being so removed from the land that it led me to leave my job in search of that connection, where I spent a summer of van life, exploring, camping, living out of a car all across America's national parks. And that led me to find this passion inside me for honoring and protecting our land. So I began using CBD, hemp-derived CBD, and I had a lot of questions about it, where it came from, where it was sourced, how it was grown, and there weren't a lot of answers from a lot of the companies. And so that kind of led me to go farther down the rabbit hole into cannabis science, into regenerative agriculture, and I really found a hole in the market where I could bring a unique design and quality perspective with a regenerative spin. And Volta was born. When I first started the regenerative sourcing and supply course, I was really excited about digging into the nitty-gritty of regenerative agriculture and the practices, but really what I learned and the biggest takeaway was that I needed to take a step back and shift my perspective about the whole system and the way to view it from a holistic, whole systems approach. So the core values for Volta were quality, design, and sustainability. And from going through this course, it really taught me that we must first regenerate before we can sustain, and that actually led me to reframe our core value of sustainability, and instead it is now planet, so that we're all-encompassing and focusing first on regeneration, secondly on sustainability.